Good morning, students. Today we will cover the topic path loss. What are the problems in radio propagation during the radio propagation? Path loss is basically one of the topic under this. The wireless radio channels puts fundamental limitation to the performance of wireless communication system. Wireless radio channels की कुछ fundamental limitations हैं, ठीक है, for transmitting the radio electromagnetic signals. Because electromagnetic signals basically have the problem of reflection, diffraction and scattering. So these limitations are being considered in this class. The radio channels are extremely random in nature, so it is not easy to analyze those channels. So हम क्या करते हैं? We basically do the statistical analysis to analyze the radio channels. ठीक है? Now what is a linear path loss? Linear is अगर कोई चीज with the time linearly आपकी क्या हो रही है? Decrease हो रही है. Suppose ST is a signal of power PT transmitted at a T time through a given channel. Received signal क्या है आपका? RT with the power PR. It is averaged over any random variation due to shadowing. Okay. So we define the linear path loss PL is equals to PT upon PR. It is a ratio of transmitted power to the received power. और अगर हमें PT upon PR या path loss को dB में calculate करना है, we just simply add 10 log 10 with the PT upon PR. So PL in dB is equals to 10 log 10 PT upon PR. And it is obvious that transmitted power is always greater than the received power which we have received. Look at this diagram. In this diagram, there is a distance between the transmitter and the receiver is 450. Initially, the path loss is minus 60 and जैसे जैसे आपका distance increase होता जा रहा है, आपका path loss भी क्या होता जा रहा है? Increase होता जा रहा है. So this is a major prediction. Prediction with distance and transmission frequency. ठीक? Now what is the line of sight propagation? The strength of signals fall off with distance. जैसे जैसे आपका distance बढ़ेगा, आपकी जो signal की strength है वो down होती जा रही है. So that is called a attenuation. किसी भी strength का down होना is basically called that the strength of that particular thing is going to be attenuated. Free space propagation. Free space is when the transmitter and receiver have a clear line of sight. There is nothing in between the transmitter and receiver. That directly signal is transmitted with the transmitter side and at the receiver side. So that is called a free space propagation. No other source of impairments. Satellite system and microwave system are one of the example of free space propagation. Free space power received by an antenna which is separated from a radiating antenna by a distance is given by the free space equation. ठीक है? How we calculate what is the received power at a receiver side when there is a free space? So we calculate this with the equation of free space equation, and this is given by this. Look at this diagram. Suppose there is a transceiver with the PT power and GT antenna gain. There is a receiver with the power PR and the antenna gain GR. They are separated with distance D. So received power is equals to transmitted power GT/GR lambda square upon 4 pi D square. All these terms are explained here. GT and GR are transmitted and received antenna gain. Lambda is the wavelength. D is a distance between the transmitter and receiver. PT is a transmitted power, PR is a received power, PT, PR are at the same unit and GT, GR are dimensionless. ठीक है? अगर आपके इसमें numericals आते हैं free space equations के, most of the values will be given to you. They are directly put it into the formula. Or some of the values these all values will be given to you. ठीक है? So you only understand what is the formula and how it works. फ्री स्पेस इक्वेशन. ये एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन है, इसको आप सॉल्व करना और फिर टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में मुझे इसका आंसर टाइप करके भेजना कि अगर फ्री स्पेस इक्वेशन शोज दैट द रिसीव्ड पावर फॉल्स ऑफ एज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ TR डिस्टेंस. ठीक. So this is the detail that PL is given to you, okay, and transmitted power is given to you. So try to solve this question. If you are not able to solve, I will explain in the next class because formula is already given to you. Now what are the basic propagation mechanisms? We have the three basic propagation mechanisms: reflection, diffraction and scattering. Reflection कब होता है? When a propagating electromagnetic wave impinging upon an object. Diffraction, when there is an obstacle in between the transmitter and receiver, and that obstacle is having a surface of sharp edges. So then we basically faces the diffraction. And what is scattering? It occurs when a medium through which that wave is travel. So based on the medium, it consists of the various objects and the dimensions that are small compared to the wavelength. And also it is scattering is observed when there are a number of obstacles in between the transmitter and receiver. This is a basic diagram of this reflection, diffraction and scattering. You can see that in between the transmitter and receiver, this is a straight line of signal, but it is being, okay, reflection occurs when it is reflected with certain objects. Scattering is when the signal is अगर सिग्नल आपका किसी शार्प एज से टकरा रहा है तो मल्टीपल सिग्नल्स में आपका रिसीवर साइड पे रिसीव हो रहा है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डायग्राम ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोगेशन मैकेनिज्म. Rest all the other topics I will cover in the next class. Okay, till then you solve the example and give the answer in the comment box. Thank you.